watching. Thank you for the likes. So first, I need to the Miss Rome. Hi, Chester. Thank you so much. Hi, lovely vibes. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. Good morning. How are you today, Cheryl? Today I'm single today. Happy single day. Good morning, Gorgeous Filipino Cheryl. Happy single day. Let's free. How are you, lovely vibes? Oh God. Stop doing that work, Ira. Hi, Gavin. I'm good, Cheryl. Thanks for asking. It's good to know that you are doing good. Thank you. Gavin. I heard you, it's Miss Blasius. Thank you. Thank you, lovely Bryce. Oh my god. I need to clean the home. Yep, yep. What's the plans today, Cheryl? The plans today. I'm waiting for my college's work together, but I wonder why not. I told them that what time, maybe after lunch we work. We finally say that we magic word. Oh my god. Maybe we work after lunch. Because morning here is busy day. What are you doing? It's always after lunch with you, Olivia. Because morning is a busy day. Morning is a busy day. Why? Oh my god. Good morning, little girl. Hi, beauty. Good morning, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining here. How are you there? Be careful. Thank you. You fancy 11. Yeah, 11. Say 11. How do I contact you? I don't know. Old man. Why you want to contact me? Did you sleep well? Yeah, I sleep well. Boy, you have a busy day after lunch with your call. Yes. Don't forget to like, friend. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo from Brazil. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Damar. Damar there now. In Brazil. Enjoy your dinner. Dinner. This time I'm gonna love you. You don't know me. Don't know you. It's breakfast for the Filipina. Super chat. No more super chat. Oh my god. I wish super chat unlocked. You can send me super chat. No breakfast. I'm diet. No money, no honey. Oh my god. night. Good night. Someone save the Filipino. Rain today. Hope no rain today. Hope no rain. Good night. Sweeping up, I see. To plan because a little bit busy. Oh my god. I just wanna live with this moment forever. You're my angel. Just going cars. Yeah, cars. Oh my god, the weather is sunny now. Still hot now. Oh my god, I had to change. I just wanna live with this moment forever. Oh my angel. Sorry, I'm sorry. I need somebody that can love me. Thank you for joining the live. I hope the weather get better for you in the Philippines. Thank you. And on the rain, Cheryl is productive. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you changed laws fast because I don't know. It's it's I felt I felt so. I just wanna give this moment to you. The 11 pants are gone. Yeah, the 11 pants gone now. Thank you for joining. I need to reach as the Filipino invents her own breakfast from scratch. From scratch? Oh my god. From scratch. Oh my angel, baby, you're my angel. I just wanna live with this man forever. Well, have a coffee. I love it. I'm gonna charge the design. What it designs the flower. Well, yeah, let's have a coffee today, Cheryl. Thank you, love, life. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, the love. Thank you for the love. Love you too. I love you too. What was that fruit? Yes, the fruit. Thank you for watching. The likes mean we love you, Cheryl. Thank you, love, live lives. The clever hairstyle show created only in the Philippines by a Filipino. Yeah. Oh my God. wash this. Guys. Sorry, I'm late. Washing time. Cheryl, the beautiful and pretty. Where are you from? Love, live lives. Where are you from? The tens of now. By the way, where are you from? Hi, Jamie. You're late again. Yeah, I'm always late. Hi, Jamie. Where are you? How are you, Jamie? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Bring me back into the light. I swear with this moment forever. Thank you for the thumbs up. Next time, you will have to go to the Philippines. Principal's principal's office. Okay, then you report me why I'm always late. How is the most lovely woman in the world? Thank you, Jamie. Hi, Jamie. How are you, Jamie? Jamie, Jamie, Jamie. Thank you for joining me, hi, Jamie. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys to join my live stream. Thank you so much. It helps me a lot, you know. Helps me. Helps me to. Oh my god. I am much better now because I am here with you. Thank you. You always ask me that. Didn't I tell you that already? I'm from California. Sorry, I forgot. So, how old are you? What are you doing? Where's your family? Family? Are your kids? Your wife? Thank you for the time. It's not raining anymore over there. Yeah. How I wish it's over now, the raining. Did you think I was in the Philippines? You here, the Philippines? Lovely life. Kulay. I need to kiss and wife. Don't jinx that on. No, on. No, I'm not ready. Oh my god, her is pouring the rain is awful now. Okay. Awful now. Awful. What means awful? What awful means? You, it means you look so pretty. Jamie, Jamie, Jamie. Crafting a breakfast, I see. Nasty, no good. I just like it. Something on those lines. Huh? Jamie, how old are you? I said, where, how's your life in California, USA? Together, your family, happy life, happy life, happy lifestyle, happy family. Thank you for the thumbs up. happy wife, happy life. Yeah, really? You have a happy life with your wife? Then what are you doing, honey? Hey, Anderson. Anderson. Together again. Together again. Remember when I don't have a wife. I'm single. Why is this single? Jamie? Why you stay single? Happened. I told you that a long time. I told you that I'll at my age, but you are taking already. I don't know. Sorry. I'm ready to go to mingle. I'm just. I'm waiting for the girl that you see on the mirror. You see on the mirror? Really? What that can be said? Cleaning. What are you doing right now, Cheryl? Cleaning. I'm waiting for the. Okay, that makes sense. That thanks, Golden. That makes sense. Like, thank you, Golden. Thank you, Gaudian. Thank you so much. It's my turn. Thank you, Gaudian. Inside out my shoulder, I forgot who you were. Pop up on the sun. Pop up on the sun. She's all the dancing that I want to. Thank you, guys. Seems like hot in the Philippines. Yeah, hot here. So once you get home out later after the meetup with your colleges, you go live? Yes, I will do live. I'm always do live because I need to monetize my channel. Yes, I'm always do live as starting today. Now truly dream beautiful princess. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We get to see Cheryl again later. Yeah, I'm always doing live. That makes sense. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Golden, thank you for joining here again and again. It helps me a lot. Papa Pansan. I will try to be here more often, Cheryl. Thank you, Love Live Life. Where are you from? Love Live Life. Where are you from? I said I'm from. Oh my God, sorry. Welcome to the Philippines from California. Sorry. Sorry naman. Sorry guys. Oh, too much paperwork. What is this? What is that? So I sing this song to out of my edge. You're the one who makes you're next in line. I should Thank you for the 10 thumbs up. It's okay, I will repeat it once I've seen it. Thank you. Plus, you meet a lot of people, so I don't expect to remember everything about any one of us, not even me. Oh my god. I heard the birds. The birds? No, it's not a bird, it's a chicken. Edgar Carlo. Hi, it's a chicken. Six people here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 11 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Hi, hi. Okay then. Hello from USA. Hi, Stephen. Carly. Thank you for joining my live. Okay then. The lizard. The lizard. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful of all? Sheryl is the most beautiful. Oh my god. Jamie, Sheryl is reading old people and deciding what keep and what not keep. Yes, you're right. You're absolutely right. I need to, I need to throw the not important. I keep the colors important. Only beautiful. Say it now. Oh my. 29 from Disney movie Snow White because you're a thank you, Jamie. 2 times I've been there. Thank you, Yaya. Score one more for me. Yaya, score. Yaya. I will leave here soon. I wonder what you will have for lunch today, Cheryl. No lunch. No breakfast. If you can give me money, I will. Mamaya. Ano? Yung kaya ko namatay. Sino? Totoy. Nino na Totoy? Ay. Yata, ma, oh.
Maligaya na kami.
Ah, kay ang papabawian bagayad to.
Ayaw kang maniwala.
Ha?
Ayaw kang manigaya, di kang maniwala doon.
Ano maniwala eh, taga dito yun.
Pinatay na ko. Maligaya, manilumbi, ganun. Saray ka rin yan. Si Anthony, di na bumutwa. Saka na lang kamunso.
What is that black vaccine, Cheryl? Yeah, I put this in the files. But I think it's not working. Oh my god. Wait a minute. I have to wash. If I am broke, don't fix it. Yeah.
Why na hindi pa nila pinagkalian na kamu. Inteng.
Anong gusto niya ng musika? Yung musika, ang buhay na.
Alit ka. Okay. Alian orang na bangkaw. Ang kabumatong mo kumarit na mali.
Thank you. How's your day? Hello. That must be true. I just see you working on a live file organizer. Yeah. If it ain't broken. Tell me if this is true. Filipino girls are very good with finances and keep the priorities for the family. Like the Filipino man, give the wife control over everything. That way, everything good. I'm not belong there. I'm not good Filipino. I don't want. I spend too fast on money. I am not handle. If you give me money, just give me. Don't blaming me if I spend too fast. If you don't want to spend, don't give me. That's it. Don't. Oh. Ay,
Abe, kung mamatay siya, wala. Yung treatment na namatay, ang tawag ito to. Pantag. Ilaga kung namatay siya. Baga natawag. Nagpilitan ta, nag-aragan ito ang parakuan. Ang may nagulukal arap. Nuwa pangamit niya ang arap na kuwan.
Thank you guys for joining my live. Thank you so much.
Ay, inararain na ako. Nakaibagiyo. Ang biscuit ko na yung biscuit. Wala kong intang. Kasi mag-intang. Ang magulbok. Kaya wala. Napakait. Pag-natang mo ka na.
Lols. Lols. Why lols?
Lalo na yun, yung kantay ko. Yung kantay.
Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Isang ko upang
Nag-record yan yung kantay. Dahil kanila, nagtunari din yung kanta. Nag-record na. Wala o. Pag kami kayo nalalawa.
Because what Jamie said. The Jamie said? The Jamie said. Yes, I'm not like that. I'm not like Filipino like that. Sorry, I'm disappointed you. So, maybe don't pick me. Find a better Filipina. I'm not a cute Filipina.
Atinda, oo, suka. Suka, wala. Wala gabi, suka. Magamit sini, suka, dua.
Manuel, I believe greedy people don't go to heaven, and I believe what goes around comes around. Well, overall, you are still a good Filipino. Thank you. Money is to make a life easy. Yes. Because what Jamie said. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I'm greedy. Jamie, I'm greedy. So you need to avoid me. You need to. Yes, I'm greedy. Sorry. Oh my God.
Trabaho na yan?
Shell makes life easy. Yeah, money makes life easy, but if if you don't want to, don't you need to avoid me, guys.
Wala kong kanipigit trabaho, magkatapos bye-bye. Nalulungkatan na ang kanila. Kunyari, yung Domingo. Magkatapos bye-bye niya.
At least you're honest. You're yes, yes, I am. I don't want to pretend to be a kind person, but yeah, I don't like that. I'm not kind. I'm greedy. I want money. I want monies. Yes, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing live because I need the money. Oh my God. Why should I pretend to be a kind? I'm not like who. I'm just joking. You are the best, Cheryl. And anyone who doesn't realize that is their Thank you, guys.
Namang no, Gabriel, libong ka, magtumba ka. Ay, na-order ka ng cellphone. Namang na maglibong ka, pagbalay.
Gabriel!
Doon ka na ugang makamamay.
Gab!
Sobrang ka kan.
Gabriel!
Pareho ka mo ni Bicol.
Gabriel!
Libong na ugang ka mo, ate.
Gab!
Bagal
You're
ang
a man,
mata
right?
niyo, mag-diferensya.
Yes, I'm a man. You want to? Gabriel!
Pagdoon siya niya ito na, ate para na yan.
Gabriel! Gab. Girl, you are the best. And the best part, there's no other Filipino because you are nothing. What the? Oh my god, I found a watch. Oh, thank you for the watch. This is my sister gave me from Taiwan before. I found it now. Thank you for watching. You are not greedy. How you know that I'm not greedy? Cheryl of Filipino. No, she is a Filipina, yeah. Or can you do it or not? You don't need to wear clothes like that. What should I wear? What should I wear?
Oo, hindi na tampan ng takot. Kaya nakabati ako din sa mata. Hindi ito. Ay, ako mangarap. Pag hindi ko na matayo, pag hindi ko makain, mag-share ka na. Sigurado na yung video. Kanang mga tao. Alay, kita rin yung ang taba, walang mali.
Where are you from, like the forest? I'm from Philippines. Donate her clothes. She will wear your clothes. Just joking, yeah. You can donate my clothes. Yeah, my clothes is limited. Can you don't have to wear clothes like that. Why? You should not have a rule. So it's fine. You know? What's this? Huh? Fairy in the forest. Fairy in the forest. I'm so live with a smile forever. Oh my god, you are a man. Yes, I'm a man. You broke my heart. Yes. So I don't care if I broke your heart. Yes, we both are man.
Ay, nang banil mo, banil na orange. Kahit magsigna, sigilan. Una sa orange.
Her muscle from washing the bed sheets. Let us show she is a man. Yes, ano naman.
Again, may dug na ang karne, no? Sarula. Ano madali?
The eyes are the windows to the soul. Can I see through your eyes all the way into your soul? What? Sweet me, guys. Cheryl is the prettiest man I ever seen. I love you, guys.
Nandito ba kami nila? Walang, wala. Walang.
Oh my god. Thank you, Jane. That's my girl, always funny and happy. I always try my best to follow the rules and be respectful. What? I will go to the prison. Be respectful to the house. Keep it clean or you will be. She always make a grand entrance when she comes back. In your sweet. Thank you guys. Not just you, love everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. I feel. Oh my. I am losing my mind. Always. What what I want to do. Tell me, guys, what I want to do. I don't know what to do now. Oh my god. Natay na si Totoy. Natay na daw? Maulang-ulang. Balik, chismis lang yan. Oh, my angel, baby. I just wanna live with this man forever. I just need to know this.
Malamig ba ito?
What? What you say? No, you. This is your. I'm team backup. Huh? You're team backup? Why? You're our friend? Who's your friend? Who's your friend? Una kang makita. Level the English. Oh wow, that's great. Grade 3. Level reader in English. Barbara correspond, guys. Gabriel! Magbasa-basa ka ho. Magbasa ka. Tama na yan.
Di, pang grade 3 ni.
Kaya nga, magbasa ka. Maski pang grade 3 yun, mag-ano ka pagbasa.
Lulus.
Golden 985 510. What? What is that? What is that? Golden, what is that? Why you give the number? What is that, the number? Oh my god, what are you talking about? Okay, I will see you in your live later after lunch. Your colleges. Goodbye, Cheryl. I had so much fun talking with you today. Oh, stop. Why? What happened? 0462, not mine. What is that? Golden, what are you talking about with Tim? What happened? Tim, what happened? I already told you think. Huh? I don't know. What?
Ay, bangga. Nga nila.
I'm preparing my documents because I'm leaving soon. Charot. No one can find me. That's my cell phones. Cell phones? Nothing, Cheryl. Nothing. Nothing. I don't need it. Why? Why? What happened? Goodbye, Philippines.
Ano ka?
Sayang na sayang talaga. Dating pag-ibig mo. I'm not getting in between. Work it out all the time. Whatever it is, be yourself like always. That's the reason I'm here. So please don't go. Damage, don't go. The amazing Cheryl. Don't go. Whatever it is. Thank you, Golden. Whatever it is, it is. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Oh my god. Mm. I'm just here to help when I can. Team. I have my other. I help with when I have free time. I like to help you guys when I can. What do you mean? What do you mean, Golden? What do you mean? Golden, what happened? I don't know what happened. Same comment when I leave, when I'm here, when I'm not here. So I don't know what's happening. So what's up? Nothing happens. What, baby Jimmy? Huh? What? Golden. Tim. Are you gay, Tim? You calling Jimmy a baby? Are you gay? Are you gay now? What? Just take it. Cheryl read the message. Yeah, I got lost message. I don't know what the message. Cheryl read what is that? Yeah, I got lost on that thing too thing. What is that? I don't understand. Were you talking?
Dali mo maatapos.
Read James' messages. Redness. I enjoy my time with you here, but I'm going to leave now. I don't want the baby to bully me around. What? At least I can see by now. Have a wonderful day. Ah, okay. What he means?
Gilid siya, parang niyo. Parang gilid. Parang medyo ano lang sa gilid.
What he means? Yeah, I don't understand. I'm out of here. She's not talking. I'm not talking. What should I say? You're not talking. I'm always talking here. Oh my
Gab,
god.
order ba na ako na sa cellphone mo? Paano? Ang charger.
Just wait. Hi, thank you 10 million here now. Ay, thank you for 10 million. Hold on, not hold on. I went to another room. Tim, you can always go to the other room. And not only for anyone, it's fine. Don't be toxic to anyone. Enjoy your life. I went there because Greg wasn't there. Oh, God. Same, not for Greg. It's about Annalyn. Oh my God. Don't be. Focus on your girl. You know what, Greg? He's always around. Not only for Greg girlfriend. Not only for Greg lady. He's going around and around and around. You know what? Greg Golden, I will see has comment in another dating sites on Facebook. So maybe, but well, he is still a man.
Hoy, kanina ka man, other
Len,
friend.
magkano na dito yan? See, Cheryl don't mention she commented on another man Facebook. I don't see she loves fun guys. You know, he's my friend on Facebook, but not the dating site. He's my friend. It's a different story.
Hindi.
Whatever. No, it's not you. No, no. So what's your point? The point thing is, that's all I'm gonna say. Oh,
Sorry.
sorry,
Arigato.
sorry.
Arigato.
Damn you to work it out and stuff with it. Yeah, I don't understand why. Oh my god. Sorry, Gavin. Oh my god. Golden! You're not a good friend. Stop with the. God! Work this shit out. Nah, I'm good. Stop with the. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. It's okay to be upset, but at the end of the day, you guys love each other. You're not true friend, Golden. You don't know how it feels. Yes, what can I do for you? Can you kiss me, baby? God. Yeah. Kiss mo, baby. Baby. Sumabanguhin. Sumabango, sumagayarn. Oh. Then talk to him, Sam, to you, Tim. That only way so you can understand and get back loving another. Huh? God. Thank you for the 15 like. Thank you for the 15 like. Susash. Susash. What susash? Susash. Susash. Thank you so much.
Sige, mag-round ha. Ate Che.
Hi.
Ay! Ate kita ha.
Yan.
Ngayon na ano, Domingo.
Hindi ko alam. Nabasa ko yung si Lucy, pero di ko alam na yun.
Upod ko lang ata.
Ano?
Ano lang, mauli naman baga si ate, ano.
Parang nagana na parang.
Sabi man natin ni Jerry, upod na lang ko ng bata.
Sige. Try ko, pero di ako sure. Pero mo din ko, pero I'm not sure.
Upod mo ng bata.
Madong ko. Ha? Oo, kanya-kanya na lang. KKB na lang.
Ano ka?
Nag-aayos ako ng mga paperworks.
May ka pa nga niya, may paperwork. Pwede na ako, bakit? May paperwork.
May paper, daghan na din. Thank you, everyone. What's up? Thank you for the 15 likes. Thank you so much.
Sundok mo kami naman mo. Paano mo nang gawin yung Jerry?
Bye. Thank you for the 50. Bye-bye. I need to end the live. Thank you so much.